Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're going to do my peanut butter overnight oats. And if you guys have never had overnight oats, you guys are in for a real treat. Basically what they are, if you don't know what overnight oats are, they're basically just a no-cook method of making oatmeal. It's a really quick, simple, easy recipe to put together. And I think you guys are going to absolutely love this. Here's a list of ingredients you guys are going to need. So you're going to need, of course, your old-fashioned oats. You're going to need some almond milk, you're going to need some peanut butter, some vanilla extract, some maple syrup, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt. You're going to need some black chia seeds, and then you're going to need a banana, and then some fresh blueberries. Of course, you're going to need a mason jar, just something that has a cover so we can put it in the refrigerator. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make Rexy's peanut butter overnight oats. So let's get started, guys. So you're going to take your mason jar. You guys can use, like I said, anything that has a cover, because we're going to be covering this and putting it in the refrigerator. And of course, I'll have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys. Alright, so this is how quick and easy this recipe is. You're going to take your almond milk, your chia seeds, take your brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, we're going to give this a nice little quick mix.
It already smells delicious, guys.
Then you're going to take your peanut butter and you're going to pour that in there. And we're not going to mix the peanut butter because it's going to be nice when you take it out in the morning. You'll get some little chunks of peanut butter. Then you're going to take your oats. You're going to pour that in there like this without making a mess, but of course I can't do that. And you're kind of just going to very carefully push it in so that it's kind of soaked up into the milk. Put your top on. Make sure it's tight, and that is how quick and easy it is to make overnight oats, right? So quick and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this yumminess in the refrigerator overnight. I will bring you guys back in the morning, put the finishing touches, and try it. So, with that, have a good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. So, it is the next morning, and I'm getting our overnight oats out of the refrigerator. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? It's nice and thick. It absorbed all the milk. So this is going to be our last step. You're going to take the top off, okay? And we're going to put our toppings on. I'm going to do it like I do my parfaits. So I'm going to be doing some blueberries, however much you guys want to put in there. And then some banana. And you're just gonna, so that you guys can see, you're gonna cut up some banana, put that in there as well. And that's it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Let me zoom in for you. Doesn't that look beautiful? Ooh, look at the peanut butter. So we are going to go ahead and try this baby because my mouth is salivating. So I'm going to take some from the bottom, get some peanut butter, just try to get a little bit of everything. The blueberry, the banana, the oatmeal, the chia seeds, everything. Alright, cheers, guys. Oh my god. Guys, this is so good. Wait, I'm gonna take another bite because, yeah, it's that good. You literally taste everything. I love oatmeal. I love overnight oats. And yeah, this is really good. Wow. Everything together is absolutely delicious. I really don't have enough good things to say about this. It's quick, it's easy. It's a really nice thing to put together at night when you're on the go, rushing in the morning, or you know, like if you're meal prepping, these are amazing to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of my overnight oats. I hope you guys give it a try, experiment, play with it, you know, add your favorites and make it your own. With that, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.